So this is the new BOYA by-M1s, the successor of the old BOYA by-M1. Quite reliable wide microphone from BOYA. Highly recommended for beginner content creators and video makers. Unlike its old model, this does not come with any kind of cell or battery, so it becomes easier to make videos with it because it takes the power from the camera or the smartphone, so no worries of running out of the battery in the middle of the project. Moreover, it did cost me around 27 euros, which is budget friendly, but also in India it costs around 1600 to 1800 Indian rupees, so it's a bit cheaper there. Highly recommended for indoor video making and this kind of one-to-one talk videos, but not sure about outdoors if you can manage the length or the tangling of the wire. Instead, you can get some budget friendly wireless microphones which are available in the market. So yeah, if you found the video interesting and informative, you can give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also can give me some suggestions in the comment section. So yeah, till then, take care. Ciao.